Okay, inshallah, our lesson today will be about natural resources. We will study together what are natural resources. Who make noise, please? Okay, natural resources. Who can tell me what is natural resources?
Me.
Me.
Okay, Ola?
Me. Natural resources are resources that we can find them in nature, that the people can benefit from it. We can
Excellent.
classify them in renewable resources and non-renewable resources.
Very good, mashallah alik. Hala, do you have any compliments?
I can say what's the meaning of natural resources in my way.
Yes, okay.
Natural resources, they are resources that are natural and they have a lot of positive things for the humans, and they have two kinds.
Excellent, excellent. Hala, Salim?
Me.
Natural resources that it's not human made. It's
I can't hear you, Salim.
natural resources is not human made.
Not human made. Very good, excellent. Clara?
Natural resources are stuff found in nature and humans can benefit from them.
Excellent, excellent. Ranim?
Yes, natural resources are anything that people can use and they came from nature.
Excellent, excellent. iPhone, who is this?
Maybe Juwairiya.
Answer?
Mr. I think Surur has an iPhone.
Okay, she will answer now. What is your name? iPhone, who are you?
Maybe she didn't put the sound on.
Okay. Marwan, can you answer? Marwan? Okay. We will study together what are natural resources like you said before and why natural resources are important. Here, check with me this picture. These are types of natural resources. Like you said, natural resources, things that we can find in nature. And it can help us to get a lot of things in our life. Maybe they can be a source of energy or source of food or water or air, okay? The sun is the most important thing in our life, okay? Forests, rocks, minerals, animals, air, oil, water, and soil. The second image here tell us about the percent of using of each one, how much we use each one at our life. If we start with solar energy is 6%. Water resources help us in our life 23%. Also, precious metals or minerals, 23%, sorry. Crude oil is 6%. Land resources are 8%. Natural gas and animal resources, forest resources, and wind power. All of these resources give the help for the human at all of types of our life. Here, like you said, natural resources is anything from nature that people can use. For example, okay, here
أستاذ يقطع
Mister, I can't
صوتك
hear you.
يقطع صوتك.
Okay, معتصم. We'll start again. Here, natural resources like you can see in these pictures. First one, for example, is wood. Trees provide us with wood. Can you tell me what are the uses of wood?
Yes, I
Me.
can.
Me.
Okay, Clara.
Me.
We can use wood to build chairs or tables.
Excellent, very good. Ranim.
Me.
To build furniture, and some people build their homes from wood.
Excellent, excellent.
Me.
Salim.
Me, Mister.
You can build campfire.
What?
Campfire.
Campfire.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Ola.
Doors and furniture and almost anything, everything in our homes are built with wood.
Excellent, very good. Hala, you have any answer?
Yes, I have. We can use from the wood to make fire, to have heat, and to be warm.
Very good, excellent. To get heat and feel warm. Very good. Who else want to answer? Marwan? معتصم?
أستاذ ما فهمت.
الوود يعني ايش يا معتصم؟
حديد.
وود يعني اخشاب يا معتصم. شوف عندك في الصورة على اليسار الخشب. شو نستخدم الاخشاب يا معتصم؟ في ايش؟ تعرف؟
لا أستاذ.
ما عندك في البيت كراسي او طاولات او شيء؟ في المدرسة ما تشوف الطاولات مصنوعة من الاخشاب؟
عندي.
Okay.
عندي.
This is wood, okay? How are you, Ghazal?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ghazal, do you know what are the uses of wood?
Like a chair and table.
Yes, very good. Chairs and tables, very good, excellent. Also here, the second one is the second picture, crude oil. Do you know what are crude oils? Who knows?
Me.
What?
Crude
Mister?
oil.
Me.
Did you see this picture before?
No.
Yes.
Ranim?
I didn't remember. Yes.
Ranim, yes. Where did you see it?
On TV.
NTV. Here also in Oman and all Gulf countries, we can see these pictures. Crude oil is extracted from the ground like petrol. Okay? البترول ما نعرف من وين مستخرج البترول. Okay? Petrol and gas, gasoline, and all stuff we use at our life in our cars and homes, kitchens, gas cylinders. All of these things came from crude oil, which extracted from the ground like the second picture. Third one, do you remember with me kinetic energy?
Yes.
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 What is the name of
Yes.
the third? What is the name of the third picture?
Me.
Me.
Ola?
Windmill. Me.
Windmills, very good.
Mister,
Okay.
me.
Okay, answer.
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy, excellent. Clara, do you know what is its name?
Sir, I can.
Okay. The last one.
Me.
Mister, some people used to call them windbreakers.
Wind
Breakers.
breakers, very good, excellent. Okay. What else? Hmm. Okay, what
Me.
can they do?
Me.
Me,
Okay,
Mr.
Ranim.
They give us energy.
Okay, excellent.
Me, Mr.
Electricity.
Me.
Electricity,
Me.
very good.
Me.
Hala?
They give us they produce electricity, kinetic energy from wind to produce electricity.
Very good, excellent. Ola, you want to add something?
Me.
They generate electricity.
Okay, very good, excellent. Did Surur come?
No.
Me.
Mister, I can add something.
Me.
Okay, add Clara.
These windbreakers are a source of energy, and they help us to work electricity.
Okay,
Mr.
very good,
Me.
excellent. Salim?
A turbine to produce electricity.
Turbines, very good.
Yes.
I think we explained it before when we were studying energy, right?
Yes.
These type of energy producers, we call them windmills or wind turbines. They, because of kinetic energy by wind, they change it to electric energy or electricity. We can get electricity from them. Okay, now why air is important? Do you think that air is one of natural resources?
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Mr.
Me.
Can you repeat the question?
Why do you think that air is one of natural resources? Okay, Ola?
Because
Mr.
the air that we breathe contains oxygen, and without oxygen, all of the living organisms will die.
Okay, excellent. Thank you, Ola.
Mr. Me.
Okay, Hala?
Me.
Because the humans didn't do the air.
Okay, very good. Because we found it in nature. Thank you so much. Very good answer. Okay, Marwan?
Mr. Me.
مروان شارك معنا حتى لو خطأ عادي مروان. اوكي
أستاذ إيش قلتي؟
نعم
ما سمعت.
شارك معنا. ليش الهواء مهم يا مروان؟
Me.
Mr. Me.
Mr. Me.
Me.
اوكي كلارا.
Because air is usually produced by nature with the trees.
Very good. It's produced by nature from trees. Excellent. غزل.
Me.
Because the people take oxygen from the air.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Ranim,
Me.
you want to add something?
Yes.
Yes, Ranim.
Because air contains oxygen and we breathe oxygen, and the oxygen can be replaced when plants photosynthesis.
Very good. Excellent. ما شاء الله عليكم متميزين والله كالعادة. Okay, we can get oxygen from air. Because of that, air is very important to all living things. And without oxygen, we will die, right?
Right.
Without oxygen, we
Yeah.
would die. All living things would die. Okay? Now we will know how to get oxygen. Where we can get oxygen. Where the oxygen come from. 98% is produced during the photosynthesis process. Who want to add?
Me.
Yes. Say your name.
The Marwan.
Marwan. Yes.
Oxygen is come for tree.
Very good. Very good. أحسنت. Okay. Oxygen come from trees. Do you think trees only can give us oxygen?
No.
What
No.
else?
No.
What else?
Me.
Okay, Salim.
Me. The sea.
The sea.
No, the flower, the flower.
Flower? No, not flower. Okay, Ola?
Maybe there's another organism that lives in the sea.
Yes, very good. Another organisms that live inside the sea or oceans or rivers. Okay,
Me,
okay. Answer,
Ranim.
Rani.
This organism is called phytoplankton.
Okay, very good. Phytoplankton. Excellent. Okay, Ola, you want to add something?
No.
Okay, Hala,
No, there is nothing.
Clara.
No, nothing.
Okay, we have two sources of oxygen. The first one is plant, and second one is like I told you before, we called it algae. Do you remember algae?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, phytoplankton is one type of algae. Okay, we can get oxygen from two sources, plants and microorganisms in the sea or oceans or rivers. We call them phytoplankton. If I asked you, what are the sources of oxygen? You will say first one is plants, second one is phytoplankton. Okay?
Okay.
Here also, we will speak about water. Water is precious to life. What's the meaning of precious?
No,
Ola?
I know.
Valuable
What?
or rich? Rich or variable?
Variable. Very good. Clara?
Mr. Precious, it means it's very important and we can't live without it.
Excellent. It's very important and we cannot live without it. Water is precious or crucial or very important or valuable to our life. 70.9% of the Earth's surface is water, and the rest is land. Okay, most of Earth is water. Okay, so we called it water planet, right?
Yes.
The water planet. Okay. Okay, we will study together now the fresh water. What the meaning of fresh water? Okay, Ala,
We can drink it.
we can drink it. Very good. Hala, you want to add something?
I wanted to say that clean water.
What?
I wanted to say when you asked us about the fresh water, I wanted to say clean water.
Clean water. Very good. Excellent. Excellent answer. Okay, Clara, you want to add something?
Yeah, non-salty water.
Non-salty water. Very good. Excellent answer. Raneem.
Fresh water is the water that keep us alive.
Very good. Excellent answer. MashaAllah عليكم. Yes.
الصور ما عم تطلع لي.
تطلع. أنا اللي مأثر الصور. Now you can see now.
No.
Now freshwater resources. Can you see the arrow? مين اللي الصورة عنده ما واضحة؟
أنا مستر الأربع صور الصورة الأولى اللي قبل شوي طلعت ما عم تطلع لي كمان مرة.
تطلع. أنا اللي وقفت الصورة. Okay. Now you can see the pictures. Now Marwan, you can see.
Yeah.
The first one of freshwater resources is icebergs. The second one is glaciers. The third one is rivers. Fourth one is lakes. Again, we have four resources. First one, icebergs. Second one is glaciers. Third one is rivers. Fourth one is lakes. Okay, can you see any difference between icebergs and glaciers?
Yes.
What is the difference between
Yes.
them?
Yes.
Me.
Yes, Clara?
Glaciers are usually mountains that have ice in them, but as icebergs, they're usually found in the ocean.
Excellent, excellent, very good. Anyone have another answer?
Mr. Can you repeat the question?
The question, what is the difference between icebergs and glaciers? The first two pictures, Hala.
Can I say it?
Yes?
The glaciers are mountains that have on top of them so many ice, and in the icebergs, they're in the ocean, and they have also a lot of ice on them.
Very good, excellent. Another answer? Do you have any other answer?
No.
Okay,
No.
icebergs are a small part of glaciers, okay? The glaciers is ice mountains or ice or mountains that fall of snow, and after a period of time they turned into icebergs. And also we can find icebergs at oceans, okay?
Okay.
As you can
Okay.
see in these pictures,
Okay.
these are 4 resources of fresh water, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any question?
Yes.
Okay, ask.
Mother, when the ice melt, do it be the water health fresh or not?
The icebergs give us fresh water. Why? Because icebergs come from the sky with no salts, like rain falls. Also, water inside rivers and lakes from rain falls. Okay, there is no salt at them. They are non-salty water, so we can use them at all our life activities. Okay, all life activities like drinking and making food by fresh water. Okay,
Okay.
do you have any
Okay.
other question?
No.
No.
Okay,
No.
we'll repeat now.
Sir.
Yes, yes, معتصم. معتصم.
كان سوق يتقطع أستاذ.
Okay. Quickly, I will mention types of natural resources like the sun, forests, rocks, minerals, animals, and air, oil, water, soil. Okay. Here, natural resources, like you mentioned before, is anything from nature that people can use. For example, number 1, trees provide wood. Second one, crude oil, it extracted from the ground. For example, petrol and gas, which we use in our kitchens and our cars. Third one is kinetic energy, which we get from wind miles or wind turbines, okay? Why air is important? Air that we breathe contains oxygen, and without it, all living things would die. Where the oxygen come from? 98% of oxygen is produced during the photosynthesis process by 2 types of resources. The first one is plant. The second one is algae, or we called it phytoplankton. Water, as we mentioned before, is precious to life. 70.9% of the Earth's surface is water. Fresh water, only 3%. Okay? The freshwater resources are 4. First one is icebergs. Second one is glaciers. Third one is rivers. And fourth one is lakes. At the end of our lesson today, please focus at your homework because your homework is written here. Okay?
سؤال خلصنا.
No, not yet. الواجب يا معتصم. The first one is natural resources. The meaning of natural resource. Second one, mention some examples of natural resources. Third one, what are the freshwater resources? Fourth one, do you know where the oxygen come from and why it is important? Okay, this is your homework and I will send image for homework at WhatsApp, okay? Also, I will send video for the students who didn't came with us. Do you have any question? My students, do you have any question?
No.
No.
Okay, thank you so much, my best class in the school. I wish all the best for all of you. Take care, my dear students, and goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.